Imagine a battlefield where the enemy never sees you coming. That's the reality with the rise of drone-based electronic warfare. Modern unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are now equipped with advanced electronic warfare payloads, allowing them to jam radars, intercept communications, and disrupt enemy networks, all from a safe distance. These drones can fly low and fast, sneaking behind enemy lines to unleash powerful jamming signals that blind radar systems or cut off command links. With artificial intelligence, drones can autonomously adapt to new threats, identifying frequencies in real time and shifting their tactics instantly. Militaries use swarms of small drones to overwhelm enemy defenses, saturating the airwaves and creating chaos. Larger, high-end UAVs carry specialized equipment to target specific radar installations or communication hubs. The result? Enemy air defenses are rendered useless and their ability to coordinate on the battlefield collapses. As these technologies evolve, drone electronic warfare is set to redefine how wars are fought, making stealth and disruption the new keys to victory.